How to make six figures a year, online specifically. Look, if that's a topic you've been searching for, you've landed on exactly the right video. I'm going to share with you today the 3 things that you need to grow a $6-figure, $100,000 per year minimum business. So, sharing a lot of content with you today. If you get value from it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that I can let you know about future videos as and when they're released. So, my name is Fraser Tom. I live in the Canary Islands in Spain. I specialise in high ticket sales. I run sales coaching teams for some very big names, and I train and coach those people. And many of those coaches that work with me are indeed earning way beyond 6 figures per year. So, Fraser, people ask me, what's the fastest way to do it? What's the fastest way to grow a business online and to make that lucrative, that kind of thing that everybody wants, right? That 6 figures, that $100,000 per year in this online space. There are many ways to do it. There are many ways, including e-commerce, including drop shipping, including eBay, Amazon. There's affiliate marketing. There are lots of ways you can do it. I'm going to tell you the fastest way. We're going to cut right to the chase because I've been involved in many different things and I've seen, yes, what works and what works for other people. But if you want to fast track your success, the fastest way, in my opinion, is in coaching. It's in sales coaching. So let's break it down. What is 6 figures a year? Well, 6 figures, $100,000. Let's break that down. What would you need to do to get to that? Well, $5,000 per program. Let's say you're selling your own coaching program. That's 20 sales, not per month, per year, right? 20 sales at $5,000 is 6 figures a year. So suddenly when you break it down, it's not so difficult. It doesn't seem such a grand thing to achieve. It actually seems very possible, right? 20 sales at $5,000 is $100,000 per year. Now, great, okay, I need a program to sell, right? I need something to sell to do that. Well, yeah, so what's your expertise? What can you come up with that people want to buy from you that can empower their lives and change their lives that you can sell for $5,000. So that's the first thing you need, is the offer. Once you can come up with that offer, great. And most people have got an area of expertise that they can sell for $5,000 or perhaps a bit less than that, $3,000, perhaps $10,000. That's up to you, right? It depends on the value that you can impact on someone's life. So the offer is the first thing. Think about what it is that you're good at, think about how you can change the world, and think about how you can put that offer together and sell it, let's say for $5,000. Do that 20 times, you've made 6 figures a year. So when you break it down like that, it doesn't seem so difficult. However, the offer is the first thing. What do you need once you've got your offer? People often think, yeah, I've got my offer, I've got my program that I can sell, great, I'm done and dusted, I'm home and hosed, I've done it, I've succeeded. No, you haven't. Because you don't have any traffic. Well, what do we mean by traffic? We mean eyes on your product. We mean prospects. We mean leads. We mean people looking at your offer who will then buy the offer, because let's face it, without traffic, without people seeing what you've got, nobody's going to buy it, right? That's a given. And it might sound simple. Well, yeah, I can go out there, I can find the traffic. It's not so simple, but it's the second thing you must absolutely master in order to get eyeballs on your actual offer. You can do that with organic traffic, you can do that with paid traffic. Organic traffic meaning that you don't pay for it, right? Perhaps you do a YouTube video such as this, it goes out there, someone clicks on it and they see your offer. That's organic. Or a Facebook post, right? Or an Instagram post, or speaking to someone face to face, something you don't pay for, that's organic. That's great. And then when you move into paid traffic, then it can get very exciting, because if you know what you can afford to spend to obtain that traffic, those eyeballs on your offer, that's when you can scale your business up and really grow a very big business. In fact, you can go from 6 to 7 figures, right? That's when it gets fun. But is it possible to grow a business organically and hit 6 figures? Absolutely. We're only looking for 20 people to buy your offer over the course of 365 days, right? So is it possible to do it with 20 sales? 100% it is. And it would be my absolute recommendation that when you're talking about traffic, that you do not go down the route at all of paid ads in any sense until you are absolutely crushing it with the organic traffic and you do have a 6-figure business. Okay, so let's say when you get to 6 figures, you've made your first $100,000 in sales, then we can look at scaling up and moving into some paid traffic. Okay, so that's traffic. That's the second key essential here to grow in that 6-figure business. The third, and the most important one, is closing. So many people focus on the offer. So many people focus on then getting the traffic, and they are absolutely lousy, for want of a better word, at closing people into their offer. No matter how amazing the offer is, no matter how much the traffic they have, the eyeballs they have, are the perfect prospects for the offer. If you can't close, if you can't have that sales conversation or consultation with your prospect, and if you can't close at a very good rate, you are leaving a ton of money on the table. And again, from experience, I see so many people out there with just amazing offers and traffic, yeah, and they can't close. Or in fact, not only can they not close, but they're not actually having the closing conversation. They're not actually getting people on a prospecting call to have a consultation to actually close them into their offer or their opportunity. It's absolutely huge. So if you're thinking about a 6-figure business online right now, 3 things. 3 equally important things. Don't for 1 minute think that, yeah, I'll focus on 2 and I'll come back to the 3rd one. Or, yeah, I'm going to become an expert at closing the sales, but I don't have any traffic. Or, I've got this amazing offer, right, and it's fantastic, and I'm really good at closing people into it, but I don't have any traffic. Or, I've got this amazing offer and all this traffic, but I can't close. And that's what I see so many times. People just cannot close, and they're leaving a ton of money on the table. Don't let that happen to you, okay? So, look, I hope you got value from that. There's a training linked in the description of the video below that you're absolutely going to want to grab. It's a free training, and click on the link, get that. It's going to help you to create your 6-figure business and some. If you want that 7-figure business, then it's there for you too, okay? It wasn't until I mastered all 3 of these skills, not in that order, all 3 of these skills, that I was able to grow my own 7-figure business, and you can do the same too. So I hope you got value from that. Make sure to click on that link in the description below to get that training, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. All right, bye-bye.